and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva. Today I'm sharing with you three DIYs from dollar store materials. This is either Dollar Tree or Dollarama. I do live in Canada. We have Dollarama, and our Dollar Trees aren't as good as the Dollar Trees in US, so we shop at Dollarama. These are simple DIYs and budget friendly. They're rustic, they're farmhouse, and they're great for winter decor, but you can totally use them throughout the year for any other seasonal decorating. So without further ado, let's get started. The first DIY, you will need hot glue, and then you will need some of these that I had picked up. They're the greenery bouquets. If you haven't seen my haul, you should go check it out. I will link it in a corner. But so I picked these up at Dollar Tree. They're $1.25 because I'm in Canada, and I will be using these. I will also be using this grapevine wreath that I also, it's called willow wreath, that I also picked up at Dollar Tree, and then just some spray paint that I've had left over from my other projects. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to spray paint this willow tree with the spray paint and let it dry. So as you can see, I pulled apart everything and I kind of put them into little groupings of so they're all the same ones are together. And now I'm going to kind of figure out how I'm gonna do this. So I like to start by just putting stuff on without actually attaching it, just to kind of see how it's gonna look. So I think I know what I'm gonna do. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue where I want this thing to go. So here it is. I think it turned out so nice, and I think the easiest way to do something like this is to pull it apart the way I did it. I just think it makes it that much easier to make it the way you want to have it. For this next project, you will need a watering can from Dollarama. This one was $4, and usually they have them at this time of the year because they're getting all their I think I've seen some gardening supplies already, so be on the lookout. I love the size of this one. I think it's perfect. I know you can buy smaller ones that are the right color, but I love this one. Not crazy about the design, but that can be easily solved. And then you need some form of a twine, and then greenery. Now my greenery at this time I'm using had come from Hobby Lobby and from Michael's, but you can totally put any type of greenery that you can get at Dollarama. Has great greenery. I'm just using this one at this time for my decor. So and another thing that you need is some chalk paint. I have this little thing left over from my project. It's the Annie Sloan original. It's white, and you want to paint the can with the chalk paint. You can also use acrylic paint. I just think you'll probably need a bit more, but you can totally do it with acrylic paint. So here it is, all painted and dried. It has a pretty good coverage, as you can see. I like the little bit at the edges because it looks worn out. You might even want to take a sandpaper and sand some of it off just to make it look a little rougher, or you can just keep it as is. And then I like to take some twine or jute rope, in my case nautical rope, and just tie it. You can do a longer rope, and then add the greenery end. I think this looks really nice. I think it's a great addition to your decor. It can be totally used all year long, and I think with these lamps here it looks great for my winter decor. Yeah, and it's so easy to do. So this last DIY is a little bit more involved, but you will need beads. Now I had picked these up at Michael's, and I used my 45% coupon, and they were $3.15, I think, with tax. You can get these at Dollarama. I know that you can. I just could not find them. They were all out. I went to 2 or 3 different ones and they didn't have them, so then I just ended up at Michael's. But you can definitely find these at Dollarama. I haven't seen them at Dollar Tree, but I did see them at Dollarama. And I also picked up this cotton twine. This one did come from Dollar Tree, so $1.25 for 2. And then you need a pencil, scissors, and a needle with a wide, just so you can see it here, wide mouth or whatever it is. Come on, focus. You get the point. I hope I can thread this thing through it. I think I know what I'm doing, but we'll see. Alright, and now I'm going to make little tassels for the ends. I'm going to thread this through. Untie it. So that's one end, and now I'm going to repeat the same thing for the other side. So here they are. Here it is. I think it turned out awesome and I love it, and I think it came for like, this is how much I have left over from that one twine, and I got 2 of them for $1.25. I got 2 packages for $6.30, and I used 1.5 packages. So really I think it turned out to be under maybe $4.50 or so. I love it. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up, and until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you all so much for watching.